Hi, here are 100 daily use English phrases. I have categorized them into 10 categories with around 10 phrases each. They are so commonly used that you should just memorize them and start speaking English fluently. Greetings, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. How's your day going? Long time no see. What's up? See you later. Category 2. Polite and social phrases. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. Sorry. May I help you? No problem. That's okay. I appreciate it. My pleasure. Category 3. Asking for information. Can you help me? Could you please explain? What does this mean? How does it work? Where are you from? What do you do? Can you repeat that? How much is this? What time is it? Is this correct? Category 4. Daily life and routine. I'm getting ready. I'm on my way. I'm running late. I'm busy right now. I need some rest. Let's go. Take care. I'll be back soon. It's time to go. I'm feeling tired. Category 5. Opinions and feelings. I think so. I don't think so. In my opinion, I agree with you. I disagree. That sounds good. I'm happy to hear that. I'm not sure. I feel the same way. I'm confused. Category 6. Requests and offers. Can you do me a favor? Would you mind helping me? Could you give me a hand? Please have a seat. Feel free to ask. Let me know. I'd like to order this. Can I borrow this? Take your time. Help yourself. Category 7. Work, study, and learning. I'm working on it. I need more time. Let's start. Let's continue. I understand now. I don't understand. Can you explain again? I'll try my best. I made a mistake. I've completed the task. Category 8. Agreement and disagreement. Exactly. Absolutely. That's right. I'm not convinced. I see your point. Maybe you're right. I'm afraid not. That's not true. I agree completely. I disagree politely. Category 9. Travel and shopping. How can I get there? Is this nearby? I'm looking for this. How much does it cost? Is there a discount? I'll take it. Where is the restroom? Can I pay by card? What's your recommendation? I need a receipt. Category 10. Ending and future plans. See you tomorrow. Talk to you later. Have a nice day. Good luck. All the best. Let's keep in touch. I'll call you later. I'll think about it. Let's meet again. See you soon.